In a sunlit meadow, there lived a donkey named Diego. He was strong and steady, carrying goods for the village market every day. But one day, Diego encountered a problem. One fine morning, as Diego started his journey, he met a farmer who asked him to carry a large sack of potatoes. Diego, being kind-hearted, agreed without thinking. The sack was much heavier than he expected. As Diego struggled under the weight, he met his friend, the wise old tortoise. "Why do you look so troubled, amigo?" asked the tortoise. Diego, panting and sweating, explained his predicament. The tortoise, with a thoughtful look, said, "Remember, Diego, it's not about how much you can carry, but how wisely you choose what to carry." Diego felt a pang of guilt. He realized he had taken on a burden too heavy for him. Diego apologized to the farmer and asked him to lighten the load. The farmer, understanding Diego's predicament, agreed. Diego returned to the market, feeling lighter and wiser. From that day forward, Diego learned to assess his strength before taking on new tasks. He understood that being strong did not mean he should always carry the heaviest load. This lesson stayed with Diego, teaching him to make wise choices and live a balanced life. In the end, Diego became a symbol of wisdom in the village, reminding everyone that strength and wisdom go hand in hand. And so, the moral of the story is this: choose your burdens wisely, for a heavy load can break even the strongest of backs.